Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin D3 powder. Measure a single serving using the included scoop and dissolve it into your beverage. I'll walk you through choosing the right dose, timing with meals, and simple ways to mix it so it tastes good. I'll also cover interactions with other supplements and what to watch for if you have a medical condition. Stay tuned for practical tips and safety notes. Start by confirming a target dose with your clinician or based on your blood test results. Then use the powdered form to hit that number precisely. Prefer taking it with a fat-containing meal like eggs or avocado to boost absorption, and try to take it at the same time each day to build a routine. I'll explain how to adjust doses safely and when to check levels to avoid excess. Vitamin D3 is generally safe, but overdosing can cause problems, so never exceed your recommended upper limit without medical supervision. Watch interactions with calcium supplements and certain medications that change vitamin D metabolism. If you have kidney disease or are on prescription drugs, consult your provider before starting. I'll outline common warning signs of excess and when to pause supplementation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.